Hello everyone, start off by taking a cup and then afterwards take these yellow sheets of paper, make the face of a bear out of it, add the eyes and the mouth accordingly. Now take these straws, stick them together, you'll need 3 of them, and insert it into the holes of the cup. Now add the face on top of this and move it accordingly. Next, start off by taking some clay, make them into balls and then arrange it in a circular shape. Add a line in the center of it and then add a yellow ball of clay in the center as well. Now attach a stick underneath it, wrap it around with green clay, add leaves on either end and then stick it into some brown clay. Next, we'll start off by taking this little cylindrical shape, then take multiple sticks, arrange it all around, add some green clay inside. Take these toothpicks, make multiple lines on the outside, break off this little tip out of the purple earbuds and then afterwards do the same out of blue and other colors. You'll need to color it in the different colors. Next, in order to make this rocket, start off by taking a cup, take another one, add 2 of them together and then afterwards add these rubber bands at the top of it as such. Put a stick in place to prevent it from coming out. Afterwards, make your rocket out of this, add the top to it and the sides as well. Push it onto another cup and then it'll launch. Take these multiple sticks, break them into different pieces and then afterwards it should be in different sizes. Stick it together as such, one on top of the other. Now stick it into a bottle cap on either side. Add this at the base, add the sides as well, make a vehicle out of it, a little trolley. You may carry things in it as well. Next, we'll start off by taking this red sheet of paper, add yellow and green strips on either end of it. Add these seed-like designs all throughout, fold it over multiple times as such. Now add a thread in the middle, fold it over and then stick it in the center. Add these sticks on either end of it and open and close it as required. Next, take out the metallic portion of the mask and then make a hole in multiple ice cream sticks. Add it all through the metallic strip. Now make this watermelon design out of red paper, green and yellow accordingly. Add your sticks at the back of it and now open and close it as you please. Next, in order to make this, start off by taking a cup. Now, make multiple eye designs on a sheet of paper and then cut them out. Stick them onto a transparent glove on all of the fingers, add a mouth in the middle. Wrap this around the cup and then make a hole at the base. Blow air into it using a straw. Next, take a bottle, make a hole at the top and the side and the bottom accordingly. Take an ice cream stick and then design it, make 2 holes in the center. Put this through a stick as such. Add a thread through your bottle in the side and then the top. Now, tie this thread to the top that you have made and then spin it as you please. Next, take some strips of paper, arrange them one beside the other, and then alternatively add pink sheets as well. Join them all together on one end and staple it together as such. Now, taking the pink sheets of paper, do the same thing. Join the pink sheets together, and then afterwards add a heart on top of it. Next, we'll start off by taking a yellow strip of paper, add tape on one end of it, roll up the paper, and then fold it and stick it. Now, roll up another sheet of yellow paper, and then stick it, add it on top of this. Now, take a strip of orange paper, make this beak-like shape out of it, add it to the front. Add eyes on the front as well to make your duck. Next, start off by taking a blue sheet of paper and then afterwards fold it up into half, vertically and then horizontally accordingly. Cut out the head in the front smaller portion and then at the back fold it over multiple times, stick it in the middle and then make this peacock's tail out of it. Add yellow portions as eyes to the end of each of them. Take this newspaper in a square and then fold it into this shape, flatten it out and then afterwards reverse the side and then fold either side of it inwards. Afterwards do the same onto the other side as well. Once you're done with this, insert one side into the other and make sure that it stays. Wrap it around it accordingly and make this little boat shape out of it, adjust it as need be. Next, we'll start off by taking this bottle cap, add a marble as well as some clay to one side of it. This will make it not fall. Afterwards, take a white sheet of paper, make these 2 circular shapes out of it, make a little bunny out of it, add a heart to it as well as the eyes and the mouth accordingly. Stick this on your bottle cap. Thank you for watching.